Luxury handbag rentals, is that a thing? Is that really what the girls are doing? Hey guys, it's your girl Liana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Liana. I post new videos every single week. Go watch some older videos so we can get a little bit more familiar with each other and we can get better well acquainted. You're gonna end up loving it here, so smash that subscribe button. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. All right, you just heard that intro and you heard correctly. Luxury handbag rentals are a thing now, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Vivrelle for this video. So if you want to see my new handbag for the month, keep watching. Before I show you guys the handbag that I did pick for this month, I want to tell you guys a little bit about Vivrelle, explain a little bit about how their service does work. So they do offer 3 different tiers. They have Classique, which is the lowest tier that you can get. It's $139 a month, and you do get to choose handbags up to $4,000, and that includes handbags and some jewelry. Next tier is Couture, and you get full access to their full inventory. That's at $239 a month. You can choose 1 item at a time from their limited edition pieces, handbags, and also jewelry. They also have another one called Couture Plus, where instead of just 1 item at a time, you can get 2 items at a time, and that's at $339 a month. So they do have different options for different price points, because honestly, sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, you ever like had an outfit idea where you're like, you know, that outfit will look really good with one specific handbag, but why would you go out and spend $1,000 for one outfit for one handbag? That doesn't make sense. So I feel like honestly, renting handbags is really a game changer. And I think we used to have like that website called like Rent the Runway, right? Where you could literally like rent clothing pieces. Well, now we have it for handbags and jewelry. So instead of having to purchase that $5,000 handbag for one outfit, you can literally just rent it, because they have a wide selection of handbags. When I was trying to choose one for this video and just to have for the month, I was like, you know, what should I go for? It was just so many options. It was like taking a kid to a candy store for me. So I know all my handbag lovers would enjoy that. They also gave me a discount code to share with you guys. I'm gonna have it here on the screen. It is SimplyLiana50, and you do save 50% off of your first month. So from whatever tier that you do sign up with, you'll get 50% off. So definitely take advantage of that saving. Okay, so now that all of the explaining is out of the way, we're here for the handbag reveal, right? This is the packaging from Vivrelle. This is the box that my item came in. It's just the personalized packaging that says Vivrelle, and they also explain to you how to return your rental and swap for another bag when the time is up. They send you the shipping label to ship it back. I'm not going to show that because my address is on there, and they just also send another goodie card on how to ship your item back. But I know we want to get to the good stuff. This is the bag that I chose. It is in their dust bag with their logo on it. It's really, really cute. Can you guys guess what handbag I chose? Here she is. Oh my God. This is a Fendi First. I think this is in the small size. It's not the mini. They definitely have another smaller one, but I think this is the small. I think. Maybe the medium. No, this is definitely the size small, and they have a smaller one too. They also have a larger version. I love this bag. I'm actually now thinking about it, and they give you the option to keep the handbag. You just purchase it from them. I love the handbag, and the thing is, like I said, this is a rental, and it does not look super worn. Like whoever was using it before me was taking really good care of it. Like there's a little bit of wear at the silver hardware, but that's to be expected. I love the silver detailing on this bag. I hope that the camera is picking up this color, because it was the color that I could not deny. It is a beautiful mint green, and like I said, the silver hardware just adds so much to it. And then when you open up the bag, you do have that nice Fendi Azuka print. Also, I think every time I've seen influencers with this bag, or just like fashion girlies, I did not know it came with a crossbody strap or like a shoulder strap, and it is adjustable. Listen, this handbag is so nice. Let me put the strap on. So this is how it looks with the strap on. This as a clutch is such a statement. Good piece. The F. And it's giving like, if you know, you know. I went to the dollar store to buy hand soap for my bathroom. Yes, when you come to my house, you're using dollar store hand soap. Anyway, and people always tell me it smells good. Anyway, the one woman checking me out, she was like, oh my God, I love your handbag. And I'm like, oh, thank you. So this is definitely a compliment getter. I love this bag. I'm really happy that I got to borrow this from Vivrelle. I feel like because of the color of this handbag, it's not something that I would normally purchase in store. So I would have probably looked at it, admired it, and said, you know, let me go with the black one or the brown one or nude, something like that, just because this is such a color that's wham bam in your face. There's not a lot of clothing items that you can wear with this, and this is definitely giving summer, like a summer bag, vacation summer bag. That's not enough justification for the price, because I think this bag retails like close to $3,500 probably before tax. So being able to rent this for a month to know if I like it or not, I'm very happy with that. What I will say also with renting the bag, it does show me that I do like the silhouette. I really do. I thought that this would be an odd piece to carry, but honestly, it feels really good underneath your arm. The quality of the bag is amazing. The craftsmanship looks really good. And like I said, this is a bag that's been passed around because we're all borrowing the same bags, and it's in excellent condition, which means the wear and tear on this bag is really good. Another thing that I like with Vivrelle, they do have Ella, which is an AI assistant. So pretty much if you don't know how to style a piece that you get from them, they will literally help you choose an outfit. So no need to worry. If you see an item that you like but you don't have the vision for it, Ella will help you get that vision, okay? But yeah, again, I really like my handbag, and I had to share it with you, and I just had to share the site with you because if you were thinking about trying out Vivrelle, you need to. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I just really wanted to get this out there, and I was so excited to start using the bag, but I didn't want you guys to ask me like, hey Liana, you didn't unbox that. When did you get that and add it to your collection? I didn't add her to my collection. I mean, for the month, but no, I am just renting her, and I just wanted to tell you guys about the site myself. So if you do use code SimplyLiana50, you'll save 50% off of the first month as well for yourself. And I definitely think that this is something that you guys should take advantage of. Like I said, it's a great way to tell if a handbag is for you or not. So I'm happy to put this out there for you guys, put it on your radar. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Send this video to someone else who is a purse lover and jewelry lover because they need to hear about Vivrelle. And if you're not tired of seeing my face, I'll leave a link to another video here on the screen. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you.